Bobodoll experiment. Here we will look. A teacher is behaving aggressively towards the doll in front of a group of students. This is visible in the picture. Students is watching a doll which is holding by the teacher, and teacher is behaving aggressively. After observing teacher's behavior, students will also behave aggressively towards the doll. This is also visible in the picture where a group of students holding a doll with aggression and showing aggressive behavior. A teacher is behaving politely towards the doll in front of the students. Here we are looking at another experiment where the students and teachers are behaving politely towards the doll. A teacher is holding doll politely and cutely with smiling face. Here children are also behaving politely towards the doll. As teacher behaves politely, so students observe it keenly, so they are also with their smiling face and behaving politely to their doll. This is called Bobodoll experiments. Here we can conclude students are watching, observing, and imitating the teacher. This is one of the most important topic for both teachers and students as how they should behave in front of their children. The Bobodoll experiment was a famous study in psychology conducted by Albert Bandura in the early 1960s. If it focused on observational learning or how people, especially children, learn behaviors by watching and imitating others. Result of Bobodoll experiment: children who saw the aggressive adult were more likely to imitate the aggression both physically and verbally. This showed that children can learn social behavior such as aggression through observation, not just by through direct reinforcement or punishment. Significance of Bobodoll experiments: these experiments emphasized and supported the social learning theory, which emphasizes the role of the modeling, imitation, and observation, as we all are doing the same process in our daily lives. Albert Bandura was a renowned Canadian American psychologist. He is best known for his theories like social learning theory and Bobodoll experiment. In social learning theory, Bandura proposed that learning occurs through observations, imitations, and reinforcements, and his famous study demonstrated how children learn aggressive behavior by observing adults. Albert Bandura was born in December 4, 1925, and he was died on July 26, 2021. He was one of the famous psychologists. So he wrote many books like number 1, Social Learning Theory in 1977, Aggression, a Social Learning Analysis in 1973, and number 3, Self Efficacy, the Exercise of Control in 1997. Some notable psychologists who support the observational learning, including Lev Vygotsky, Julian Reuter, and Walter Michael. They are the also famous psychologists of observational learning, and they give their famous services. According to Albert Bandura, social learning theory, the four steps of observational learning are: there one is attention. The learner observes the behavior and pays attention to it. Second is retention. The learner retains the information and stores it in memory. First one is and the third is reproduction. Learner reproduce the behavior either physically or cognitively. And fourth is motivation. The learner is motivated to repeat the behavior, often driven by reinforcement and punishment. Applications of observational learning. First one is education. Teacher models behaviors and students learn through observation. Number two is parenting. Children learn by observing parents' behaviors and values. So, teachers and parents must be careful about their behaviors in front of the children. Number three is training. Observing experienced professionals help learners acquire new skills. Number 4 is therapy. Observational learning is used to treat phobias, aggressions, and other behavioral issues. So, training and therapies are used for changing the behavior by observing or watching the others. Number 5 is social skills development. Observing and imitating social behaviors helps individuals develop social skills, as now we are living in the age of global village of the world. So here in the all over the world people are watching and observing and imitating each other. Please like, share and subscribe my channel at Home of Education 77.